In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move columns in Microsoft Excel. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and the goal is simple: to reorganize your worksheet without having to retype any data manually. Moving columns is a very useful skill when you want your spreadsheet to be easier to read, easier to analyze, or better organized for reports. For this example, imagine you have a table with columns like product, price, quantity, and category. The goal is to move the category column so it appears before product. This is a common type of cleanup task, and Excel makes it fairly easy once you know the right method. The recommended approach is to drag and move the column. This is usually the quickest and most intuitive way to reposition a column while keeping all of your data intact. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and navigating to the worksheet where your data is stored. Once you can see the table, look at the top of the column you want to move. In this example, that's the category column. Click the column letter to select the entire column. Selecting the full column is important because it tells Excel you want to move everything in that column, not just a few cells. Next, move your mouse pointer to the edge of the selected column. Be careful here, because the pointer needs to change into a four-headed arrow. That icon confirms that Excel is ready to move the column rather than edit or resize it. Now hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This step matters because it allows Excel to insert the column into a new position cleanly instead of replacing existing data. While holding Shift, click and drag the selected column toward the place where you want it to go. As you drag, watch for the insertion line. This line shows exactly where the column will be placed when you release the mouse. When the insertion line appears before the product column, go ahead and release the mouse button. Excel will then move the entire column to the new location without overwriting the other columns. That means your data stays intact and the worksheet is reorganized instantly. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Just make sure you selected the full column, waited for the four-headed arrow, and held down Shift while dragging. Those are the key details that make the move successful. And that's how to move columns in Microsoft Excel using the drag and move method. It's fast, clean, and perfect for quickly reorganizing your spreadsheet.